Hello and welcome to this episode of Project Bluebird. Walking up the Lowe's, checking out the ovens. We're looking for a gas stove, something cheap, something reliable, but nothing was in the clearance. The only thing gas was sold already. This one's pretty good, but we wanted it in black, and of course that was 18 days away. Here we are picking up the fascia wood for the bed. Next stop is going to be the actual platform on the actual bed where the mattress is. And here we are picking out some wood. Bobby picked the straightest piece he could find. Look how warped that thing is. Useless. Always check your wood, ladies and gentlemen. Here we load up some 2x3s. On our way to the checkout. Alright, in this segment we threw the water tanks in to kind of mock up where we can put the brace. And here's Bobby measuring and securing the bed frame to the bus. That's the frame. We're screwing that together. That's going to be the support for the bed. Oh, there we have the top on. She's looking good. There she is, all complete, and now we're putting the fascia boards on. I hope you enjoyed this episode. As always, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and donate to the cause.